Hello guys, I've just received this from Kickstarter. Maonocaster is a dual bundle package AU-AM100 from Kickstarter. So I've just installed it today. I've opened the box and this is the mixer. And what I've done is that I have used one of the headset connected to here. You can monitor that. You can have two of them, and I used to connect this with my iPhone. You have to take note that this is an auxiliary cable. It does come with two kind of cable. One is broadcasting, one is AU auxiliary cable connected to the iPhone input, and this is the USB-C, which is connected to my Mac. I have set this mic. So the problem is that there is no sound effects here. It's empty for Mac. I'm not sure for PC, but what I need to do is that I need to download the app from their website and install or upload the sound effects. So what I did is that you need to go to the website. You can find this under the manuals and the drivers. What happened is that you can see this is the version for the Mac OS. Once you have downloaded it, the problem is that you can't install this because it mentioned that it is not being approved by the Apple. So the Apple developer, what you need to do is that you have to open up the Apple system preferences. You have to allow App Store and identified developers for that particular app for you to install. So once you have installed that, the next thing what I did is that I downloaded this app. I downloaded the sound effects from Free Sound and whatever sound effects that you want, but it's in the WAV file. You need to convert that into MP3 because it doesn't accept the WAV file format. So you need to download the MP3. So once you have that, you open up the app and you can add up as many sound effects of MP3 file that you can. So just import them if you want to. So once you have import them, you need to test it out. So you can test the length and also the sound. Once you have that, you can what you need to do is that you can copy to the according to this arrangement. You have about 8 of them. You can have 7 of them to put it in, and you can copy it. So once you have copied it to the relevant tab, then immediately you can use them here. So once you press that, you can have a sound that you can't hear it unless you are here. Okay, so as simple as that. So then now you can have that sound effect. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Bye.